Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Iza Adlan. I'm come from MTS Tarbiyatul Muallimin Pakusari. I'm now in first grade junior high school. I live in Pondok Modern Muhammadiyah Pakusari, Jember. I'm the participant of Muhammadiyah Education Award 2022. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start my speech, let's thanks to Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, King of kings and Lord of lords, who has been given us the mercy and blessings so that we can feel various kinds of pleasures such as being healthy and the favors the right time, so we can meet together in this happy condition. And then salawat and salam are always for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the most perfect human who told us about the true religion, the true faithful, and with his intercession we can enter Allah's heaven. Muhammadiyah Young Generation. Youth is a figure that always brings alterations for almost every era. For example, we can see a big alterations of youth in 1928. Youth gathered together for the unity of Indonesia. This pledge was known as Youth Pledge. All youths from all over Indonesia, from various ethnics, cultures, languages, and religions, strove for taking the independence of the nation. Who doesn't know Mr. Ahmad Dahlan, our first national hero and founding father of Muhammadiyah Association? Nobody doubt him in each of his speeches to encourage the youth in maintaining the independence of Indonesia. The long journey of Indonesia to the national independence show us how great the influence of young generation at that time. And then, as the youth Muslim generations, what have we contributed to society, nation, religion, and especially our own self? Have we given any alteration? A Muhammadiyah youth should go on with positive alterations day after day in his life. How lost if a cadre of Muhammadiyah becomes worse than yesterday? The success of Muhammadiyah Young Cadre in dealing with a number of life problems with the good alterations will be the foundation in how he brings alterations to his surrounding and those that are bigger in the future when he becomes Muhammadiyah leader. Dr. Yusuf Kordawi said that there are three things that underline a youth as a foundation of alteration. First, youths come with brilliant brain. Second, youths have strong physicals. And third, youths behave objectively honest. From the 3 points above, we can come to the conclusion that will bring alterations physically. Youth also need to consider of the three things that underline spiritual alterations. First, youth needs to have strong faith. Second, youth need to be always istiqomah in performing any religious service and duties. And third, youth has good manners or akhlak hasanah. Ladies and gentlemen, and all the companions blessed by Allah, this is the time for Muhammadiyah youth to race for creating alterations in every line of life and keep as well as possible in and keep as well as possible in the image of Islam. Moreover, Islam has been being besieged of the from all over the directions by the enemies of Islam. We need to increase our knowledge about Islam by learning and mastering various disciplines. Not only Islamic books, but also those whose context sometimes offends the world of Islam. Thus Muhammadiyah youth generation can have the provisions to become the agents of the alteration. Make our youth as the time that's full of benefits and kindness before the coming of old age, when all of our spirits will fade away. What are we waiting for? If we can do the alteration now, use our youth times to become the part of Islam's awakening history in Indonesia. That's all I could say. I wish we can meet again someday. Please forgive me for the mistakes on my words. That's all I could. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.